You give me love and my heart is in debt with you. Oh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be taking you to the Miami Design District. This is going to be the last episode of this series for the South Florida series, and you know, it was between this one and Wynwood, and I was gonna at first like kind of merge them both together, but I decided just to do this one on its own because I saw a lot of cool things online, really nice places to take photos of. You know, I still don't have my new audio equipment, so I'm glad that the wind is down, so that way I'm going to get some really nice audio quality for you guys, not having the upgrade to the camera yet, and I'm going to be able to show you guys around without having all that wind noise from episode 2 of the series. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with some B-roll. Catch you guys in a minute. Check this out, guys. It's a pretty cool cup. This is like the big red cups that you would use for, like, you know, beer. You would see it at parties. Some artists decided to make a giant version of it, which is actually pretty cool. And that's kind of, it reminds me of like when my cousins and I used to play beer pong. So pretty cool. Just getting into checking out the area and loving it. Seeing a lot of photographers. There's like people filming everywhere. They're taking pictures. Like, check that over there. There's a photo shoot happening right there. So, you know, definitely checking out things. A little bit warm, considering yesterday was pretty cold. Well, not cold. It's like 55 out, so it was a good temperature. So, all right, give me a second.
I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why you give me love and my heart is in debt with you. Oh, you give me love and my heart is in debt.
All right, so you know what this reminds me of? When I was in LA, Rodeo Drive is full of like exotic cars and, you know, expensive shops, and this is basically what this is, but the version down here in South Florida. So I mean, whether you like to window shop or, you know, buy a little bit of designer clothing, designer wear, wallets, purses, what have you, this is the place to come and do it. And actually, called this parking garage that is actually it has like all this like art design, art deco on it, and it's like $3 for the first hour to park, which is really good, considering like what you pay like downtown or paying at the down in South Beach. It's actually a really good price. So yeah, we're gonna walk around. I really want to just check out the art installations because there's a lot of it here, and a lot of the buildings are designed really nice for taking photos of. Wynwood is more a lot of just spray paintings and, like, you know, murals on walls. So this is a little bit different, and I like landscape photography, so this kind of fits me a little bit more, and I wanted to just share this with you guys. So there are some areas that I want to take some really cool photos of. Not really sure where I'm going, but I'll figure it out. I mean, how hard can it be, right? It's a city. Alright, so guys, I think I found it. Check that out. I want to grab a couple shots of that. This place is cool. A lot cooler than down by the bay in front of the American Airlines Arena, if you ask me.
So right, I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. Yes, I feel so nice. Yes, I feel so right. I'm thinking every night, you're the reason why. You give me love and my heart
of those clips that all the pictures that I took in here, I'll probably throw in like 3 clips. Hope you guys like it. Alright, so this part of the Miami Design District is actually very cool, very Instagrammable. So if you want to come down here, there was like a couple chairs up top that you could take pictures of, sitting in swings underneath flowers, which was pretty cool. You guys see that horse on top of the building with the flag? It's actually pretty cool. Alright, so that section, really cool. There's a lot of expensive shops up top, so like I said, if that's something that you're into, come check it out. But also, if you're into taking photos on Instagram with your phone, or you're a professional photographer, or you are a starting photographer, this is a really cool spot. Even just to come and check out and just bang out a couple of shots with your cell phone, it's a really cool spot to take photos. This is kind of the stuff I'm talking about. Check out this. This is a Sunco race fuel gas station sign that tells all the fuel prices, but it's an art installation and it just has the fuel prices in digital numbers, and that's art. That's kind of cool. See, like, and check out, like, this is like written in some weird, like, I don't know what that is, but it changes color like as the wind blows, and then there's like art on the wall here. There's these nice arches that have like wood on them. There's more over there underneath the Sunco sign. And there's just so many different places to take some cool photos. And speaking of which, I'm going to do that now, and I'll share one with you so you can see what I mean.
Don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did on purpose, baby, no. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. That I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking, baby? Tell me.
Guys, I cannot get over these arches. They're so Instagrammable, so, you know, photogenic. Really love it. I don't know if they're made out of wood exactly, but if you see what I mean. No, that's cement with like a wood stamp. That's pretty cool. That is cool.
I gotta love that last. I gotta kiss.
Alright guys, I think that's basically about it. Somebody told me about some other places to go and check out, which I'm going to try and find. But one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description for the parking garage I parked in, which is really photogenic, and it's about $3 to park for the first hour, so it's plenty enough time if you're just coming to check it out and not really buy anything or really shop much, but you can stay much longer. And to me, parking in a parking garage versus street parking is a lot safer because you don't have to worry about your car getting dinged, dented. Although if you have a rental car, like, you know, I'm sure you have insurance to cover that. Anyway, we're just gonna keep moseying along. See, that's the parking garage that I parked in down there. And hold on one sec. Yeah, this is the right way. Basically, it's really nice out here. I'm actually really impressed. Although Rodeo Drive does have one over. I mean, come on, it's Beverly Hills, right? look at all the expensive cars. Porsche. There's another Porsche down there behind this Audi. And there's a Ferrari right there. And there was another Ferrari that drove down there. Alright guys, well I think I'm going to end it here. It was really cool coming out here, checking out all the cool stuff to see. And like I said, I really recommend you guys coming down here and checking it out. I'm going to be leaving all the links in the description below. The parking, the location. And if you want to check out Wynwood, it's only on the other side of the street. It's not too far away from here. And plus it's not really alive, if you want to put it that way, until like the nighttime. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bells so you get notified when I post new videos. And until next time, get out there and live your life.
You really hurt me when you let me know. 'Cause you know